Om Shanti class. Today I will teach you how to find the square root of the given numbers which are not perfect square. Right, till now you have done the numbers which are perfect square, but today I'll teach you how to find. Now find the square root of 7, 1869, 0.7 to 2 decimal places. Right, see, if I want to find for 7, I'll write 7, you know. Now, after a number, we all know there is a decimal. I can write it, it's understood. Then, square root is done in a pair. So, after the decimal, it is from left to right. And before decimal, it is right to left. But here only 7 is there. So, what am I going to take? First, I cannot take 3 threes are 9. So what is less than 3 is 2. So 2 twos is 4. So 7 minus 4 is 3. I'll put a decimal here and bring, square root. Always remember, it is always, but we do it in pairs. So I'll bring two zeros here. Is it clear to you? Now two decimals are there, so I'll make three pairs of zeros because till two places. So it means I have to solve it till three places. Now 2 plus 2 is 4. Right. Now here you have to check. You multiply this with 6677 and it should be less than 300. So I know 4. I'm trying this with 6. So, like, see, beta, you can try because I know at one glance only you don't know the answer. So, you need to multiply it in rough. 47, you try with 47, 46, and then you'll exactly know which is less than what? 300. So, as I know, if I multiply this with 6, it is coming to 276. Right. Now, what will be the 24 is left. I'll bring these in a pair. So two zeros will be brought here. Now I'll add 6 to it. Procedure remain the same. So it becomes 52. I know कि 5 5 is 25. So it cannot be, the 500 into 5 is 2500. So I know it cannot go with a table of 5. So I know I'll do it with 4. So and 4 here also I'll write the same number. What I'm writing it here, please remember this. Whatever I'm writing it here, that number is here. What I've written it here, same number will be here. Is it clear to you? So when I'll multiply this with 4, it is coming to 2096. Calculation part, beta, you all know how to multiply 524 with 4. Right, now what is left here? 304. Now, bring again this pair here. There will be two zeros here again. Is it clear to you? When I'll add, it will become 5 to 8. Again I know 5 into 5 is 25 and 5 6 is 30. Matlab 5,000. So but roughly like we must see to it. Okay. Otherwise you need, I'll multiply this with 5 and 5. How much it is coming to? 26425. Now, what is the LCM coming to? 3975. So till how many places of decimal I have solved? I have solved it till 3. But I have to round it off till 2 places. So 2.645. As you know, this is 5. So number 1 next before this will become 1 more. So till 2 decimal place the answer will be 2.65. I think it is clear to you. Right? Okay. Now next one. Now I've told you to find it for 1869. Again, I'll put a decimal. I'll make 1, 2, 3. Is it clear to you, class? Because till two places of decimal I need to find. And before the decimal, it is from right to left. So 18 is one pair, 69 is another pair. So 4 fours is 16. Is it clear to you? So then you carry this, bring this 2, 6, 9. It always have to be made in pair. 4 plus 4 is 8. Right, you know, if I'll multiply this with 3, it is coming to 249. Right? Now, put a decimal here. Now, bring this pair here. So 0, 0 will come. It is always, we bring it in pair only. Now, if I'll add, it will become 8, 6. You know, क्योंकि 800 something means it will only go 2 times. Right? So it go 2 times. So how much it will be? 1724. What is left here is 276. You know how to subtract. Right. Now bring another pair here. So 0, 0 will come here. When I'll add 2 to it, it will become 864. Right, class? So if I'll multiply this with 3, because again I know 9 3s is 27. So it's 9,000 into 3. But roughly I see to it. I see the bigger value there. Okay. Now, you know how much it is coming to? It is coming to 25929. Now, if I subtract it, it will come. Is it clear to you? Bring again 2 zeros here. Yes, class? Now, if I'll add 3 to it, it will become how much? You know, this will become 8646. I know it cannot go 2 times. I'll multiply this with 1 only. So, is it clear to you? It will come 86461, 9 here, 3 here, 6 here, 0 here, 8 here. And you know this is less than this. So, how much it is coming to? It is coming to 43.231. So, what is the square root of 1869? It is coming to 43.231. But when I'll round off to two places of decimal, it will come to this. Because this is less than 5. So, same number will be copied here. Is it clear to you, class? And 265 here in this case was the root of 7. This was till 3 places. I have to round off till 2 places of decimal. Is it clear to all of you? Now I'll do it for one more for you. That is for 0.7. So when I am finding a square root, you know, after decimal it should be pair. I'll make a pair because after decimal it doesn't make a difference. I'll write one more and I write one more. Because there should be 3 pair to find till 2 places of decimal. You know 8 0 point will be there. Then 8 8 is 64. What will be left here? 6. Bring this 0 and 0 here. So 8 plus 8 is 16. Right? It will go 3 times. How much will it come to? 4, 8, 9. Yes, class. So here it will be 1, 1, 1. Bring this again here. Add this 3 to it because I multiply this with the same. So it is 166. Okay, it will again go 6 times. So what will come here? 9996 after multiplication. What is left? 1104. Is it clear to you? So what is root of 0.7? It is coming, the square root of is coming 0.836. I have to round off till two places of decimal. So you know in the third place 6 is there, which is greater than 5. So this means this one will increase. So this will be 0.8. Right. So these are all the square roots of the numbers which are not perfect square. Okay. Now from Monday we will start with the cube root. So today I'll give you the question. Do question based on it. Thank you, class.